Hello, hi, welcome. I'm really glad you are here. Before we begin, take a second. Just breathe in and out. You made a powerful decision by joining this course, not just to learn telepathy, but to understand your mind, your awareness, and your connection with others on a deeper level. And I want you to know something right from the start. This is a safe place, and no pressure, no judgment. No need to prove anything. Not with fantasy, but with real human experience. Just curiosity. Now, let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like you knew what someone was about to say before they said it? Or sensed someone's mood without a single word being spoken? That's where we begin. In this course, we are not going to jump into extremes or unrealistic claims. Instead, we will build something much more powerful, step by step. Let me walk you through what you are about to experience. First, we'll gently explore the foundations, what telepathy really means, what science says, and what's actually possible. You'll understand your brain, your attention, and how your subconscious plays a role in perception and communication. Then we'll start strengthening your mind by building a foundation. We will help understand your brain, how your mind processes information and creates awareness. Then we will focus on attention training, developing focused, clear perception. After that, it will be about subconscious awareness, learning how hidden patterns shape communication. And all that will be done with measurable progress, tracking your development with structured exercises. Will work on your focus, your imagination, your emotional awareness, because telepathic ability or what feels like it begins with clarity of mind. And don't worry, I'll guide you simple exercises. Nothing overwhelming, just small shifts that create big changes. After that, we'll move into actual communication techniques. You will learn how to send thoughts, how to receive impressions, and how to practice this in a structured, measurable way. Yes, measurable. Because I don't want you to just believe something is happening, I want you to experience progress. Then we'll explore more advanced ideas like intuition, nonverbal communication, and how deep human connection can sometimes feel like mind reading. And throughout this journey, I'll be right here with you. Now I want you to do something small. Just notice your thoughts for a moment. Are they calm, busy, curious? There's no right or wrong answer. This awareness, this something simple, noticing, is actually the first step towards everything we are going to build together. So, as you move forward in this course, don't rush. Take your time. Repeat the exercises. Stay open, but also stay grounded. You don't need to become someone else. You are just uncovering abilities that are already part of being human. And I am genuinely excited to guide you through this. In the next lesson, we'll start with a simple but important question. What is telepathy? Really? I'll see you there.